Alright guys, I'm out here in Jacksonville. So I'm out here about to do the Best Buy challenge, the shopping spree. I'm about to get all the goods. Guys, don't forget to watch the video all the way to the end. And let's see what I get today. So that was fun. So today I went to Best Buy, the best place on earth, my favorite store by far, the electronics store. I picked up a couple things, well, a lot of things. I did a shopping spree. I spent a couple checks actually. So let me show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna be moving to my new apartment soon. So I had to pick up this guy. I got the really premium Nighthawk. All right, so this one's my favorite. So I finally did it. I got it. I got my very first DJI drone. I said I wasn't gonna get a drone, but here it is. I couldn't resist it. This is DJI's smallest drone. It has 1080p. I think it has like a 12 megapixel camera. So that's perfect for me. My YouTube channel, my photography, my videography. So this was right for me. I didn't need that 4K, the Maverick Pro or anything like that. So this was a drone for me. So I can't wait to open this bad boy up, see what we got there. Right now, let's get into this drone because like I'm super excited to open up this guy, see what I got going on. DJI, baby. And I swear, I'm probably gonna go to the beach later on today just so I can get some footage. Got probably the drones inside this guy right here. I got one more box. So DJI. And I actually got the controller combo. So I got the controller with this guy. So we got. Alright, so this is the controller. Man, this is like one big fancy toy. I guess so this holds the phone. So it works with your smartphone. So I guess this goes in and out, so you can hold that. You can adjust these antennas so you get more signal. It has a button for taking a picture, another button for recording. So that's gonna be really cool. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. Just kidding, 6. This right here is an insurance card. So you wanna activate this within 48 hours of flying your drone. Looks like it comes with 2 replacements, so you're up to 2 times to replace your drone in case you it comes like me, you crash your drone left and right, hit a tree, a bird hits your drone, messes it up. You can send it back to DJI and they should be able to replace it. It also covers water damage, free shipping, and it has a VIP phone service. So really good customer service support for DJI. They know what they're doing. Let's see what we got in this other box before we get to the drone. Power brick. Power cable to charge the battery. Alright, last but not least, here we go. It's game time. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. This right here, this nice styrofoam case. Drum roll, please. And here she is. She a nice carrying case. You can actually take the drone with you anywhere. Same size as my iPhone, yeah. It's my iPhone 10s Max. Meet the drone Spark. So this is the camera for the drone, the sensor. Has a nice white color. Now, I'm pretty sure on Amazon they have different skins, so you can customize this guy, which I definitely will be doing. Has gimbal axis, so you have that nice video stabilization. Let's take this bad boy outside and let's see what we got. See the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I ain't done yet. I got some more stuff. So when it comes to the DJI, I got an extra battery, of course, because like I mentioned before, it only has about 15 minutes of flight time. 15 minutes is kind of short for me, so I got another battery, so I extend that to about 30 minutes of flight time. Check this out. So I actually have a iPhone. I have the 10s Max with Verizon. Got the gold. So you know, that's a $1,100 phone, so I ain't taking no chances. Mama ain't raised no fool, so I had to get a spec hard case. So that case, if I drop it, cause you know, your boy, I'm clumsy, I can't help it. Hey, if I drop it, I have that protection, so I don't break my $1,100 phone. Which is kind of crazy. But now you guys know me. You guys know I love having white, pearly, movie star teeth. So I already have like a $100 toothbrush, but I stepped my game up. So now I have the Sonicare, the Philips Diamond Clean 9300 Smart Electronic Toothbrush. So this is the top of the line, our premium toothbrush when it comes to Sonicare. So it has like 4 different cleaning modes, has intensity brushing, scrub, has the glass cup so you can actually charge the toothbrush in the cup. It has the app so you can actually monetize. You can monitor your scrubbing, see where you need to scrub the most. Has really premium plaque control. So this is the best of the best when it comes to having white pearly teeth. So this is gonna elevate me, this is gonna make me level up. This is gonna help me get to the next level so you guys can see me on TV so I can have those movie star teeth. So this is gonna save my phone from dying. If it does die, I can charge it right back up to 100%. It charges more than one device. I can charge multiple phones, devices, tablets with this guy. So this is really gonna come in handy. Okay, I got a problem. I got a shopping problem. I love technology. I can't help it. Hey, it is what it is. So I got another one. This one right here is the Adventure Plus portable charger. This one has a nice little strap so you can clip right onto your belt, your pants, your shorts, whatever you need. Splash resistant, drop resistant, it's dirt proof, so you can really take this on an adventure, hence the name Adventure Plus. So this is a really great buy, a really great pickup. I'm not done yet. Gotta get all the phone accessories. I got this wireless charger, the charging mat for the iPhones, and then I got this bad boy right here. This is the Wemo. This is the smart plug. So it works with Alexa, the Apple HomeKit, Google Assistants. So with this bad boy, I can plug it up. I can be like, hey Siri, you know, turn on my lights, turn on my lamp, turn on this, turn on that. I actually turn it on and off with my app. So I don't even have to be home. I can pull up my phone and I can actually turn my lights on and off if I wanted to, if I forget to turn something off. If I want to act like I'm not home, this is gonna save the day. This is the future. And that's all for now. I'll order some more stuff, but it's still on the way. So check out my next video. I got more stuff coming so I can get you a full in detail review. Alright guys, so don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to watch my next video because I will definitely have some drone footage on there for you guys. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Oh! And until next time.